Alright, man, what is up? So, you can say what's up to the vlog, sis. I got the headers in the back. We are on our way to, I think it's called like Icon Speed or something. Icon something. It's not terribly far to the point where you're like, dang, it's a super duper long road trip, but it is kind of long. It's like an hour away right now. So I just thought I'd give y'all a little update, you know, pre-tune, pre-headers and all that good stuff. And I'll just you know, vlog once I get this secret. Really, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna make this a 2-part video, like use this and then also record tomorrow to upload this video, probably like Friday or Saturday, I think. Mexico, by the way, just wanted to give y'all one or a couple last pulls before I drive my car off to get tuned. So this ready? Yeah. Like some money or what?
Yeah.
So here's what y'all, I hope y'all can hear the car a little bit, but you should hear some more after I get it tuned and picked up and all that good stuff tomorrow. It should be a little bit louder too because these headers are going to be installed and it's going to be tuned, so it should be pretty fast, I hope. Now let me give y'all some final couple of pops before the tune, man. Pretty good. Last couple pops before the tune, before the headers and all that good stuff. It sounds pretty good to me, like, but it is pretty cold right now. All right, man, what is up? So back again. Actually, same video. I think I'm gonna use the same footage and like just, you know, piece it up so when I pick up the car, this could be the same video, blah blah blah. But here's my car right now, actually, and I'm stupid excited for these cooks. So I need the keys right now. I'm gonna get the keys for cooks so I can start it one last time. It's gonna be the last time. It's gonna be you know, not tuned, no headers on, and all that good stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all one last startup before the tune is done. It was supposed to be like Friday, but then he said like Saturday at the latest. It's fine, you know, no rush at all. I want it to be like a nice quality tune, nice quality installation. There's another SS right here. I don't know who this is. Let me give y'all one last startup before all the madness happens. Sounds like some money or what? Yeah, man, just the last, you know, initial startup before these headers go in, man. I'm stupid excited. These headers, when it's unlocked, there's a button down here, look. Whoa. But yeah, man, just wanted to show y'all the last, you know, just warm startup what the car sounds like. Let me show y'all the headers real quick. Here the Kooks headers, bam. They fit like perfectly in the back seat. But yeah, I pretty much just dropping the car off right now. Friday, or no, today's Thursday. He's gonna have it Friday and probably a little bit Saturday too. And I'll pick it up as soon as it's done and you know, show y'all what the car sound like. I think it's gonna sound like some money if I'm not mistaken. The dude was like, you got a board line? I was like, yup. He said, yeah, it's gonna be loud for sure. That's my main thing. Like, I don't race my car too much. I mean, it's a fast car, but it's a fast car and stuff, but I'm not too much into the racing. I just want to, you know, look pretty nice, which it does look nice already, and have a nice sound. So that's like pretty much all I want for my car. But let's go ahead and cut this off, and I'll see you guys probably Friday or Saturday whenever I pick it up, man. So yeah. Bam. Oh yeah, I just got to the place to get my car tuned, picking it up right now. Gonna see what this sound gun sounding like. Oh yeah, so the headers just got done being installed and whatnot. Let's test drive this sound gun. Let's start the first start with the let me set this up right here. First startup with the headers actually due to the full. Also, it's catless, by the way. thumbnail, you feel? Alright man, so pretty much, let's see what this work right here. That'd be some good lighting. That's decent lighting, I guess. But pretty much what I'm trying to say is my car is too loud. I mean, it's not too loud, but I think it's too loud for this camera to handle, because the car sounds good. It's like a deep, nice sound. But then on camera, it's like loud. It gets loud, and then it like cuts off where it's like no audio, just because it's like that loud. And then it like cuts back on, which is super weird. But on video, before the tune, before the headers, it does sound a bit deeper. But I'll put like just the car idle. You can still hear them hoes. After headers and after the tune, it sounds really good though. But I just thought I'd throw that in just so y'all know it's not like a raspy, like loud, like whack sound. Because before it sounded like nice and deep, and then after it sounds nice and deeper and louder. But in video it sounds kind of like kind of raspy, I think, and not as deep. But it's just the video, it's just too loud to the point where the microphone can't handle it. So yeah, that's what it is. But it sounds super duper fire though, man. But let's get back into the video. So yeah, listen. Give us some gas. Y'all hear that? This thing sounds crazy. That's crazy, dude. Man, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. Any other future videos you want to see with the headers, I got one dropping, I think either tomorrow or the day after, pretty much the first day with the headers. And kind of, you know, what some of my friends think about it. I think it sounds super cool with the headers, the tune. It sounds loud, but it's like a good loud, and it pops a lot. Y'all let me know if y'all think it pops too much, or y'all think it's good or what. I think it sounds like phenomenal. Like, it's perfect as is. But man, y'all definitely comment down below y'all opinion. I'm curious to see what y'all think about it. And yeah, any other future like car videos y'all want to see, dude, definitely let me know so I could do those this weekend. All that good stuff, man. But hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a fat like. If you aren't subscribed, do subscribe. What are you doing? But yeah, dude, stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon, all that good stuff. So yeah, dude, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a fat like. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon, all that good stuff, man. So I'll see you on the next video. So yeah.